Hi, welcome to my video. My video reviews computer components, laptops, printers, and damage to computer devices. Please help, like, and subscribe, so that my videos continue. Laptop video display screen flex cable 4. Lenovo IdeaPad B480. Lenovo IdeaPad B480A. Lenovo IdeaPad B490. Lenovo IdeaPad M490. Part number 50.4TF01.001, 50.4TF01.021. I videoed on the camera socket, the socket to the LED, the socket to the main board, and the microphone cable. Until here first this short video, I pray that you will always be given health, always be blessed with fortune, always achieve all your wishes, always be blessed by God. Amen. Thank you. Goodbye.